Okay, this is part 2 of Heredity. Let's pick up where we left off. So, codominance, you can have a child of every blood type. So this last child got the O from dad and the O from mom and is blood type O. All right, let's do a quick review. Which of these statements about an allele is true? Is it an allele is a form of a gene? An allele makes up part of a genotype? An allele is always affected by the environment? Or an allele carries multiple genes? Pause now and make your choice. The answer is an allele is a form of a gene. And an allele makes up part of a genotype. If a plant with yellow seeds is crossed with a plant with green seeds and all the offspring have yellow seeds, what kind of inheritance pattern is this? Incomplete dominance, complete dominance, codominance, or dominance? Pause the video and make your choice. The answer is complete dominance because the yellow completely masks the green. We don't even know that the green is there. A trait that overpowers and hides another trait is recessive or dominant. Pause and make your choice. The answer is dominant. Big B, little b. Is this a homozygous or a heterozygous genotype? This is heterozygous. You have one dominant and one recessive. One of each makes it hetero, different. If a plant with red seeds is crossed with a plant with white seeds and all the offspring have pink seeds, what kind of inheritance pattern is this? White crossed with red equals pink. Incomplete dominance, complete dominance, codominance, or dominance? Pause and make your choice. This is incomplete dominance, where you have the two mixing. Red and white will give you pink. All right, I want you to check out this video for more information. If you can't click on it, you can enter it and watch it as well. And that concludes part 2